If you gave me one static chart like that, I would blast it to the world, and you put a link back to Hedgeye.
Maybe we will just make it for Bitcoin subscribers a simple subscription.
You're going to be providing them with the information they need to explain why Bitcoin is a great treasury reserve asset.
Number two is oil, and again, you look at it relative to itself. Late last week, you had a 4% drop here earlier this morning. You have a 14% drop actually from where a lot of commodities stopped going up. If you look at a chart of wheat this morning, yes, we're looking at the wheat. Again, Woody, looking at the wheat. Wheat, winter wheat. Look at that. It's down 14%, same thing, same drawdown, same thing. Same incursion, same catalyst. Don't forget that inflation cycle peaking certainly had a lot to do with Russia and a geopolitical event. So again, whether or not we're going to neutrality or a peace pipe trade or not, lower highs on commodities broadly, and again, it's not just oil and wheat, it's rubber, it's lumber was down 15% last week, cattle's down 3% in a month. There's plenty of things inside the basket. Josh Steiner reviewed one of the most important things in our inflation nowcast, which is of course used in new car prices on the Manheim Index, now down 6% from where it peaked. So again, peak inflation, peak Fed hawkishness. Yeah, when I first said it, I didn't know that Russia was going to happen. Now I know Russia happened. Now I'm saying it again. Peak inflation cycle. Again, with a 2 to 3 months, for 2 to 3 months, basically our inflation nowcast popped up. You can see that on slide 19. Again, just because I wasn't highlighting it every day doesn't mean that the nowcast does this every day, but you saw throughout the quarter, Jonesy, Q1, you had it become a coin toss basically between quad 3 and quad 4, and then by the end of the quarter, because inflation just wouldn't go away, it ended up being a little bit more quad 3, but again, real growth slowing, and you wouldn't have changed your asset allocation decisions, so we stayed with quad 4, and we're very happy with that. Something like utilities, by the way, looks like not interest rates, so you saw that last week. Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.